Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair BlitzWolf BW-WA4 speaker to any Apple Macbook. So first of all, you have to just click and hold this power button until this indicator starts blinking blue. And right now you have to release that button. And next you have to go to the system settings on your MacBook. Right now we have to open Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher in the right bottom corner of this window, and then select BW-WA4 from nearby devices. When you click on the connect, you will be simply connected, as you can see, and then you can just go to the sound settings and be sure that output device is selected for our BlitzWolf wireless speaker. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.